cool when they come down and land under your ear, start making that little noise. They're just flying around my face and landing on me.